Hello everyone, this is day 7 of my 30 days one-stroke painting series. Today I'm using 150 GSM black paper, flat brush number 8. Also medium magenta, deep magenta and white acrylic paints. In today's video, we are going to paint 15 beautiful rose flowers using simple one-stroke techniques. I'll be showing you different rose styles from basic buds to fully bloomed roses. I'm starting with a simple closed bud. Using light pressure, I create a curved stroke and gently wrap it to form a tight center. Use the edge of brush for details. You can spray a little water on your palette to keep the acrylic paint smooth and workable. Here, I open the petals slightly more. Adding one outer stroke gives it a soft layered look. For this one, I create a spiral center. The strokes curve inward, giving depth to the rose. This rose has slightly pointed petals. I lift the brush at the end to get that sharp shape. Small variations in petals can completely change the look of a rose. This is a soft bud, slightly open. I keep the strokes loose and gentle. Even a slight change in brush pressure or angle of petals creates a new style. Now I'm building a fuller rose. Layering curved strokes around the center to create volume. Turn your brush slowly. Create soft petal curves. Here I extend the petals outward. This gives a more blooming effect. Build layers for depth. Each stroke equals one petal. This rose has ruffled edges. I intentionally make uneven strokes for a natural texture. Keep paint slightly wet. Spray water to avoid dryness. A more rounded rose. I focus on even spacing for a balanced look. Small changes create new roses. This is a fully bloomed rose. I add more layers and increase pressure for bigger petals. If your paint starts drying, just lightly spray water again on your palette. This is a small side bud. The strokes are angled to show direction. Here I'm painting a bigger rose. Starting with a spiral center and building outward with larger curved strokes to create depth. This rose is slightly tilted. One side is tighter and the other side is more open. If you're facing difficulty, I recommend watching Day 2 for brush loading and Day 3 for petal strokes. Here I create soft flowing petals. Loose and wavy strokes give a delicate look. Remember, you don't need to make every rose perfect. Just keep practicing, and slowly your strokes will improve. Finally, a small neat rose. Simple strokes and a clean finish. In the next video, we will be painting a complete rose composition using these flowers. So these are the 15 rose variations using one-stroke painting. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.